We need to, everything we do with sincerity. That is part of preserving our amal. Whatever we done in the month of Ramadan, we should have this concern that everything I done only for Allah. Not to please my friends, not to please my family, not so that others can call me a good hafizab, not so that others can call me, mashallah, you read your 20 rakats Taraweeh this year, not so that others can call me a pious man. Only for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The sincere intention, if we did not have that intention, then we need to rectify that intention with istighfar. Make excessive istighfar, especially in these days, after the month of Ramadan. Ask Allah ta'ala to forgive us. Because who knows we will see the next Ramadan or not. Will we see our next Ramadan? We do not know. A Urdu shair says, Kal na kar kar, ke kal ka bharosa nahi, kal to kya ek pal ka bhi bharosa nahi. That don't say tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. What we say, don't worry, next Ramadan I'll be better. Next Ramadan I'll be better. This is a deception of shaitan. Procrastination is the tool of shaitan. And now shaitan is out. The big devil is out, the small devils are out. So they're going to give us this tool of procrastination. MashaAllah, you finish the entire Quran in Ramadan. Out of Ramadan, take it easy. Relax. You don't have to do so much. Just do a little bit. And don't do it today, do it tomorrow. Do it next week. Do it next month. And before we know it, the next Ramadan is on our doorstep. Let it not be that all our deeds that we have done in the month of Ramadan gets washed away through our negligence out of the month of Ramadan.